Hey, internet. Today I'm going to start reinstalling this tape deck I repaired a few months ago. Putting it back in there. So that's it. Left all this over winter. I'm just sitting like this because I wasn't using the truck. So anyway, hoping to put this back in and maybe test it out. Anyway, start with the electrical. There's a couple that go up and behind, so hopefully I can remember how to do that and keep going. I had to go back and look at my old video to see which order the wires go in. Anyway, so blue and black should go in first, followed by these ones. So let's see if I can get my hand in there and do this. Okay, so that was the wires connecting into the radio. From there they go out to the speakers. It also acts as an amplifier. So I've got the ones going back into there, and these other wires should be a bit easier to plug in. Voila. Okay, from what I can tell, that's all in. Gonna have to take this off later. I want to get some of these bulbs replaced. But for now, I'd like to really test the stereo. So let's hook up the battery and see if I can get it to work. Key would help. It's a good start. Let's stop the beeping. Let's go. All right, going for a little Weezer. Yee. Oh no. That could be the tape. Let's try a different tape. Aha. Don't think it's playing the right speed. I wonder if it's because the battery's dying in the car. So once you have the tape player going, you actually control the volume from this one. I wonder if I put the wrong size belt in.
Area with indigenous people.
All right, well, let's move on. So for now, I'm going to assume that was all because the battery's getting low in the truck, I hope. And yeah, so I'm going to finish installing the rest of this for now. Make sure all the wires are clear. Boom. All finished. Okay, that's the tape deck reinstalled. Try it again once I get the batteries charged up, and hopefully that fixes the problem. All right. And it's working. Check it out. Once I started it up, got the battery with a bit of a better charge going. Oh yeah. Sounds so terrible.